You just found the 2019 Honda Accord. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Imagine yourself enfolded in premium style and quality with powerful performance at your fingertips. You can have that and more in the iconic Accord, the bold midsize sedan that never stops striving for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel what it's like to drive a sweet dream come true. Test drive the Honda Accord.